In this presentation, we are going to be talking about the Saskatchewan green roofing case. It will be presented by me and 4 other members from the Thursday 6:30 p.m. tutorial group G3. The case study of the Saskatchewan green roofing is a fictional scenario of a not-for-profit organization that was founded by two entrepreneurs, Samantha Christopher and Andrew Bailey, in April 2010. This NFB organization is working on providing environmentally friendly green roofs at an affordable price to residential customers in both Saskatoon and Regina in Saskatchewan. The organization's vision of becoming a leader in the promotion of sustainability by offering ecologically friendly residential green roofs by having a voice in the community was pursued by focusing on three main areas. Those are customers, the environment, and donors. The founders previously owned a successful green roofing company that catered to commercial customers that was later sold. Afterwards, they decided to start this NFP in Saskatchewan, focusing on providing affordable services to homeowners that would benefit both the environment and the province. The case study focuses on the newly established not-for-profit organization, Saskatchewan Green Roofing. While the vision statement has been clearly defined by the founders, the organization as a whole is finding it difficult to formulate and execute a strategy to achieve their vision. This is due to the lack of experience and expertise that the employees have in running a not-for-profit organization and providing green roofing for homeowners. This causes the board members to hire a consultant in strategy and performance measurement, Garth Pride. Through the steps taken by Pride, we are able to understand how devising the appropriate strategy can help the organization achieve its vision. To formulate this strategy, Pride goes through the three main stages of the strategic planning framework: strategy development, strategy implementation, and strategy analysis. In the first stage of strategy development, Pride studies past results of the organization and other relevant external information in order to formulate a strategy. This consists of two crucial roles. The first role is providing affordable, high-quality residential green roofs in Saskatchewan, and the second role is influencing various stakeholder groups by communicating the numerous environmental benefits provided by green roofing. Using these strategies as the base, the organization introduced the STR strategy map, focusing on three main themes: environment, community support, and operational excellence that would help the organization achieve its goal. The strategy map illustrates how the strategy will be implemented with the use of strategic initiatives under these themes.
Hi, the presentation will take about 50 minutes. After presenting the overall situation of Saskatchewan on green roofing, my team and I are going to outline the key factors that impacts the performance of company. After the situation has been presented, I will discuss the main problems that our team has discovered and considered will generate a significant impact on the operating of the SCR. The solution will be provided. During the conclusion, the interpretation and general assignment will be given. The first fact presented when introduced the background of the company is a non-competitive clause that forbid Christopher and Billy from running a similar business in certain area. There might be potential legal query when they decided to establish the ICR. The next problem that the case has paraded is the staff and the board of advisors lacking experience in emerging the markets. This is presented when discussing the situation of the company, with managers and senior managers short of experience. The company might face higher ongoing risk. The promoting, reliance, and adaptability might be questionable.
This is Chuoyan Liang. Let me introduce about the price of products. In terms of meeting the strategy of company, the price of products will be affordable, high-quality residential green roof. The other threat that is, despite the company aims to be an NGO, the operators still have to realize a steady stream of revenue is essential to maintain daily operation. The issue present is the demand for financially support. Moreover, considering the reality that the SGR only has a short period of operating experience, it is necessary for the company to find the right strategy and programs for it to develop. The case also points out the difficulties of rising citizens' concern of environment protection could be addressed by the donors and volunteers, who would be crucial in facilitating the achievement, promote awareness of growing importance of the environmental concerns.
The first issue that is raised in the case is about promoting awareness. SGR's vision is to be a leader in promoting environmental sustainability through green roofing. To do so, it needs to be able to communicate the benefits of green roofing. Building awareness about environmental issues and how green roofing is part of the solution in the community and stakeholders are important. SGR also should focus on promoting awareness because it is a not-for-profit organization and it needs to raise money from donors and sell green roofs to customers to remain financially viable. The donors and customers need to be aware of these environmental issues for them to be able to contribute to SGR. SGR needs to build a program that can help to educate people about the importance of environmental sustainability. The program needs to emphasize that purchasing green roofing is one of the solutions to overcome environmental issues. As a strategic accountant, these issues can be addressed by focusing on the marketing department in promoting awareness. The money raised by SGR can be used more in awareness spending in the marketing department. SGR can also promote awareness through holding community-based events such as workshops and dinner talks. The management control system needs to focus on promoting awareness. Target needs to be set about the percentage of revenue that will be used to be spent on marketing and building awareness. Customer surveys through social media can also be conducted within the area to assess the percentage of awareness among the community, and indicators about awareness also needed to be made to understand the percentage of awareness from the customers.
Part of the vision statement of SGR states that the organization's end goal is to promote sustainability through the provision of residential roofs. However, in order to achieve this, they would need to consider the customer's requirements in terms of pricing, as their target market has been houses and condominium complexes since their establishment. As their experience lies in the commercial roofing industry, they cannot apply the same pricing schemes to residential customers as their preferences and requirements would be vastly different. While the organization would gain interest from the community through spreading awareness, they would lose potential customers if the pricing is undesirable. Therefore, due to the importance and weight pricing has on achieving the organization's vision, this has also been included in the strategy suggested in PRIDE. As a strategic accountant, we would require more information about the preferences of the target customers in terms of price and quality of roofing. This would give a good understanding of the pricing range, which would assist in determining the profit margin. Past financial and management reports of the organization can also be examined in order to gain insight into the effectiveness of the previous pricing strategies used. Furthermore, as a strategic accountant, We could also examine the responses and remarks made by past customers with regard to pricing and their satisfaction of the services and products that were offered.
Although SGR is a non-for-profit organization, it cannot depend on its funds stream solely from donors and government agents, as this may not be entirely adapted to achieve its vision. In order to be financially viable, SGR also needs to focus on their revenue generating income. One of SGR's mission is to provide affordable green roof in Saskatchewan. SGR need to balance its revenue growth from both donors and customers. Besides promoting awareness, getting funds from community events such as workshop and dinner talk can help SGR to be more stable financially. As strategy account as a strategy accountant, this issue can be addressed by balancing and use the money received from both donors and customers efficiently. SGR can achieve financial self-sufficiency and have a healthy financial statement. SGR needs to focus its strategy choice and value goals on the stakeholders, which are the donors, government agencies, and the communities. These include both volunteers and customers. Therefore, in order to gain more support from these parts, ICR needs to establish a well thought out support system to facilitate convenience and motivation that would encourage this part to communicate to the organizations. SGR need to budget for R&D to research new technology to make green roof cheaper and more efficient. Strategic accounts can also provide the perspective on minimize cost by method of operating more efficiently with the limited resource available. As SGR for the need to pay attention to its financial statement to make sure that its financial statements are healthy and transparent so it can attract more donors and its operation can continue to run without any financial trouble.
As a result, this article analyzes the problem described in the case study and proposes corresponding suggestions and ideas as a strategic accountant. NFP organizations want to realize the vision of the organization, become a leader in the promotion of the sustainability, needs to solve the following three issues. The NFP organizations need to promote the importance of the environmental sustainability by holding community events such as seminars and dinners to promote the awareness of the green roofing program. Furthermore, the organizations must understand the preferences and the needs of customers and potential customers to set price and improve qualities to establish the correct green roofing program. Moreover, organizations also need to develop new technologies to reduce costs and increase profits in order to achieve financial self-sufficiency. These three issues are used to complete the three main themes that the SGR strategies map focus on, as well as achieve organizational goals. Therefore, by the use of strategic initiatives, the organizations can implement two main strategies that assess completing its vision. In addition, through studying this case study, we found the organization's operating model and the methods described in the entire article are actually inspirable from the theoretical knowledge learning in the class. Organizations set up a vision and goals and then make decisions based on the theory, analysis and other steps, and subdivides each step to each specific link to formulate corresponding strategies. The current thinking in the subject area examine, guides and regulates how organizations like NFP organization should formulate strategies in a regular and stable framework. At the same time, the use of the balance scorecard as a performance measurement and management tools, and using the strategy maps as a guide for each department when conducting monthly meetings and make decisions ensure the organization does not stray away from their visions, as they are considered part of strategies analysis phase. These activities gradually formed a whole to help the organization's continuous improvement and development. Finally, through the rich research of case study, we are constantly improving our knowledge and understanding of this course, and it also helps us to master this knowledge more proficiently. In addition, we also realize that people are paying more and more attention to environmental sustainability, and this also shows that our current research and development on environmental sustainability is very thorough. We think this case study also wants to tell people while developing the current economy, we must also contribute the sustainable development of the future.